Hello everyone and welcome once again. In this video we're going to walk you through how to change email address in Zoom. I'm going to walk you through how to change email address in Zoom. It's quite simple, so just follow me, you get it. The first thing you need to do is head over to Zoom by typing in zoom.us, or you can use the app installed on your PC. Next thing is sign in and open it up to the home page, which is what I've done. And the next thing you're going to do is head over to the left side here and click on profile. This opens up this page where you have your profile. Under it we have personal, meetings, accounts, and sign in. Go to sign in and you can see sign in email over here. So by the right, this far right, click on edit. And then you put in the new email address. Don't forget to enter your password. The password used in this app, on this account, you put in the password to change your sign-in email address. And then you confirm the answer robot. And then after that has been confirmed, you click on save changes. Save changes. And it is as simple as that. You might have to verify your email address. They might give you a verification code which you need to use. It might not happen, it depends. So, but if you follow the simple steps, it should be easy. Put in your new email address, put in the password to change your sign-in email address as your sign-in password. Put it in, confirm it to robots because you might be, but if you don't know, what if you're not sure? Anyway, so after confirming it to robots, then click on save changes, and from there follow the on-screen prompt, and that is it. It is simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change email address in Zoom. That's it for today, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.